Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing where rust lives and how deep it is. Prioritize structural frame and seams. Once done, remove loose scale with a wire brush and scrape up flakes so the grinder has clean metal to bite. You use 80-120 grit sandpaper after the wire wheel to feather edges and expose solid metal. This prevents paint lifting later. Make sure to keep debris contained and wear an N95 respirator, gloves, and eye protection at all times. You now switch from removal to chemical treatment. Apply a rust converter to any remaining pitted spots so iron oxides convert to a stable surface. After the converter cures, clean all treated and bare metal with acetone to remove oils and dust. A tack rag helps capture fine particles. Then apply an epoxy primer across repaired zones in 2 thin coats, allowing appropriate flash time between coats. This bonds to metal and prevents return of rust while creating a sound base for top coat later. You finish by applying 2 uniform coats of enamel or polyurethane top coat for UV and abrasion resistance. Make sure each coat flashes 15-30 minutes so solvents evaporate and adhesion improves. Once paint is dry, seal joints and welds with seam sealer and protect exposed undersides with chassis grease or undercoating to resist future moisture. If you notice paint bubbling or new rust, stop, sand to bare metal where affected, reapply rust converter, and repeat epoxy primer and top coat. This corrects trapped corrosion before it spreads.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.